Hi everyone, it's Miss Steven here, live from my kitchen. Today our learning goal is going to be working on counting the number of sounds that we hear in a word. So for instance, if I gave you the word cat, we would count the number of sounds using our fingers. They're a great tool. So watch me. K, at. The sounds in cat are k, at. So that means that there are 3 sounds in cat. We're going to try one together. Goat. You say goat. Now we're going to count the sounds. G, O, T. The word is goat. Let's try again. G, O, T. Goat. Hammer. Let's count the number of sounds. H, A, M, er. Hammer. H, A, M, er. Hammer, I hear 4 sounds. Rake. You say rake. Let's count the number of sounds. R, A, K. Let's try again. R, A, K. Rake. Key. Let's count the number of sounds in key. K, E. Key. Let's try again. K, E. Key has 2 sounds that I hear. Net. You say net. Let's count the number of sounds. N, et. Net. Let's try again. N, et. Net. Good job. Shoe. Let's count the number of sounds in shoe. Sh, oo. Let's try again. Sh, oo. Shoe, I only hear 2 sounds. Sh, oo. Let's try with cup. You say cup. K, up. I hear 3 sounds in cup. Let's try again. K, up. Oops, 2 there. Dog. You say dog. Let's try it. D, A, G. Dog. Let's try again. D, A, G. Dog. You say bone. Let's count the number of sounds in bone. B, O, N. Let's try again. B, O, N. Bone. Male. You say male. Let's count the number of sounds in male. M, A, L. Let's try again. M, A, L. I hear 3 sounds in male. Let's do baby. You say baby. Baby's a little bit tricky, so let's really listen to the sounds that we hear. B, A, B, E. Let's try again. B, A, B, E. The word is baby. We'll do 2 more. Say apple. Let's count the number of sounds in apple. A, P, O. Let's try again. A, P, O. I hear 3 sounds in apple. And we'll do 1 more. Flag. Can you say flag? You try first. How many sounds do you hear in flag? Okay, my turn. I'm going to try. O, I, G. I hear 4 sounds in flag. I'll do it again, but I'll do it slower. O, I, G. Flag. I hear 4 sounds in flag. Okay, that's all for the pictures I'm going to show you today. I want you to go around the house and look for items where you can count the number of sounds in the word. All the best!